Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy trade right here on Deriv. And the first thing that you need to know before starting copy trading is that you need to verify your account. And with that I mean with your identity and your bank statement. And then after that you have the access to CTrader. Now I don't verify my account, but when you did that and we go right here to trade, you have the option right here to select the Get CTrader. Then what you need to do right there is make sure that you enable the CTrader right here in your portfolio. And then after that, you created a CTrader account. Then after that, we go to Google and search right here for Deriv CTrader. So we open the trading platform and then he will send you right here to this page. Then the first thing that you need to do is log in right here with your CTrader account. So log in with your details right here. Oh, there we go. Log in. And then what you need to do after this is you need to search right here for your CTrader account that you created in your Deriv. Then you can select it right there. And then after that, he will automatically send you right here to your account. And then you will see right here a live option with a code that starts with 14. Then after that, you can start trading because I think you selected your demo trading account. And then we can go right here to copy. And then you will find right here a lot of traders that you can copy. Now, let's say we want to copy this one. This is free. Then we select right here on free. And then you can fill in right here with how much money you want to copy this person. And then you can start copy trading. So this is in a nutshell how to copy trade right here on Deriv. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.